So today's build, I'm very excited about it, is the Nyaong75. It is a cat keyboard. In this big ass box. Okay. Alright, so I don't know why I always get way too many PCBs and extra plates. Let's not delay, let's take a look at this bad boy. Alright, I did take this out the other day. It's not a fresh unboxing, but here it is. It's a big boy. It's kind of heavy. You could have chosen between like a cat face or a cat butt. And actually, I think this is a fully aluminum board. The brass ass is actually just gold alu. But for stabilizers, we're gonna go with TX stabs. I have a million of them. I'm not sure if you can see the stack of boxes right here. I don't know why, I just decided to get a million of them every drop. And now I have way too many, but it's okay. I don't ever want to be caught pants down without my favorite stabs. There's the board. We're gonna look at it again. We're gonna try to do this today without asking Alan to identify the screw sizes for me. That is always where I need his help, because it's like, I don't use a screwdriver normally. I don't know how they work. Genuinely, I think this is the toughest part of every build. Like, how to tell what size screw? How screw work? Okay. Oh. Is it okay if it's on here? It's not hurting anyone, right? I think now we just put this thing together, right? I just don't know what these washers are for. So like this pack comes with the feet. Looks like an extra grommet. I really don't know what the washers in here are for. Hi, Future Phoebe here. As it turns out, the washers and screws are actually very important, and they are not just a random freebie that they decided to throw in the box. Let's go back to my first critical mistake, taking off the top case and not actually looking at the bottom of it. It kind of looks like I did, but if I'm being honest, I was only focused on the ears, and you want to make sure, by the way, that both of your earpieces are fastened to the top. The second big mistake I made was attaching the JST to the plate and PCB combo too early. This ensured that I would never turn the top case over to see these screw holes. I could honestly just start reassembling it exactly as I found it. So what should you do? First, note where the mounting points are. Remove any of the switches that could cause interference with the screw at the corners. Flip the top case over. Attach the plate and PCB to the top case using the washers and screws. Attach the JST to the PCB. Put the case back together. Put in the rest of the switches, put your keycaps on, and you're done. The rest of the stream is me struggling with the downstream effects of having not mounted the plate to the top case. All in all, I was still able to put it back together. After all, it came assembled exactly like this, so really just an honest mistake. By now I should have uploaded a sound test with the corrected build. File this way to your exit if you'd like to proceed. However, if you'd like to know how this build turned out exactly, this